everyone, this is a big shout out to German Gyan.
Getting so many company DM that we are looking for the bigness. Or if you are B1 plus, then at a very good amount we are getting people who want to job, so definitely you can check it out. So yeah, looking forward for your DMs and the comment down below.
Hello friends, I'm Ram and I learned German from German Gyan because the way of teaching is very good, and I also suggest you to subscribe German Gyan if you want to learn German. Till then, just stay tuned to it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Hello guys, good evening to all. My name is Divya and I'm from Delhi. I would like to speak some enlightening words about the channel, the YouTube channel, the Instagram page and the whole organization that is the German Gyan that is being handled by Miss Nidhi and her team.
मैं जर्मन ज्ञान का एक सब्सक्राइबर हूँ और मैं जर्मन ज्ञान को फॉलो कर रहा हूँ काफ़ी टाइम से। और इस लॉकडाउन में मैंने निधि जैन जो कि जर्मन ज्ञान की ओनर हैं, को CEO हैं, उनसे मैंने जर्मन सीखी है। काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव चैनल है। इनके पोस्ट जो इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट एंड ऑल होते हैं, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे देखें, फेसबुक पे देखें। हाल फिलहाल में इनकी लिंक्डइन पे भी एक पोस्ट थी, काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव पोस्ट है। और मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं जर्मन सीखने में तो बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव चैनल है, आप ज़रूर इसे सब्सक्राइब करें। और लॉकडाउन की वजह से अभी मे बी जर्मन ज्ञान सिर्फ ऑनलाइन ही अवेलेबल है। लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद आप ऑफलाइन क्लासेस के लिए भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं।
I'm Jinu. I'm from Muscat. I have been watching Nidhi's videos since long time.
This girl is doing a commendable job because she is teaching people all around the world across.
Hey, hi guys, myself Abhinav Goel, graduate from IIT Kanpur. Request you to please follow German Gyan by Nidhi Jain.
I am Prakhar Jain. I am learning German from German Gyan and I am having lots of fun.
Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan and my name is Nidhi Jain. And guys, if you don't know, then I am having another channel, that is It's Nidhiya. It's a personal vlogging plus the Real Talks video channel. So if you want to subscribe, then you can, and please go and check it out. So guys, basically this video is not about the learning, but it is totally a different thing. In this video, I will be telling you that how German Gyan is running in this lockdown period. And another thing guys, I'm so sorry, from last so many days, around it's like 30 days, I has taken a break from YouTube and all my social media, in fact from my classes also, because if you don't know, then my father was suffering and my family was suffering from COVID and they diagnosed positive. So that's why I was having some literally busy time, and on that time I was not having that much good mental health so that I can take classes or I can teach or I can post the good content. So that's why I have took a break, and I'm so sorry. And so much from you only have wishes my dad and my family so much good, and thank you so much for blessings and the love. So guys, without wasting time, let's go. German Gyan is working online. Offline classes is in Delhi, but right now we are closed with it due to COVID. And since how long it will be going to basically it will be off for the offline courses, I am not going because Delhi's situation is literally going worst. So I cannot say you, but I am running institute from online platforms, so you can definitely check out. And guys, right now 50% discount is going on till, if I want to tell you, that is super duper exciting, till 1st June. You can enroll yourself with 50% discounts for A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 or C2. Or the another thing which I love to tell you, and I have personally made for you, if you enroll for whole A1, A2, B1 or the whole course, basically there is the course which combined course A1 plus A2, or you can take A1, A2 plus B1, or you can take C1, C2, or you can directly take A1 to B2. So if you enroll for that, then extra 5% discount you will getting. And another thing, if you are looking forward for any job during this lockdown period, then my email ID is here. You can definitely mail it out. I am looking forward for your mail so that I can help you in this lockdown. If you don't know, I have forwarded so many CVs to so many companies which are hiring right now, and we are in collaboration with them. So definitely you can get a chance to work, or maybe you can get a chance to work with my own team. So definitely you can send your CVs to me and I will be helping you out as much I can. Now I will be telling you that how German Gyan is working. German Gyan is open from 6 a.m. to 12 midnight. 6 a.m. Indian time. I am talking about 6 a.m. to 12 midnight, so that if somebody is living or somebody is staying in another country also can take advantage of this German language courses. Price are too less. You don't have to do all the study material, all the practice material, all the hearing material, all the speaking practice, each and everything will be there. We will be providing you once you enroll with a 50% discount with us. So you don't have to worry for anything. Really, it means anything. Material I will be providing you 24/7 available for you, only for you on my WhatsApp group. If you are not following me WhatsApp group, then you can comment down below and I will be providing you the link. And if you want to join in that particular group, I share homeworks or the tips and the trips, whatever question you guys question me, I answer there, because each and every day I can't make a video to talk with you, but so there I answer all your questions. I know there was one series going on and I was about to upload that video, but I thought let me share you because I have to announce a great discount for you all, so that's why I'm here to tell you that. So next video will be coming up on Wednesday for you with the German CV. If you are looking basically for the Indian companies to join, then how your CV should be designed. So definitely go and check it out on Wednesday, coming up in the next week. And guys, another thing, I am open with the storybooks. So if you want to enjoy the storybooks, you can ask me so that I can give you then definitely you can purchase from me. I am having so many PDFs books which can of course can help you, and that is with the different levels. If you are only for A1, then we are having different books, and if you are in B1, then we are having different books. If you are in C2 level, then I am having different books. So you can definitely purchase it from me. Don't have an issue. And another thing, I am coming up next Saturday live with your question and answer, so you can definitely give me your question and answer on my Instagram ID, that is German Gyan 1. Link will be in description below. You can definitely come and join and DM me, or you can comment down below that what are the question and what are the queries you want to ask. One is the common question that I've already got, that Goethe kya kar raha hai, what Goethe is actually doing. So I will be answering this important question in that video itself, because if I answering this question, that will be a bigger one, so I don't want to make this video so long. So definitely you can check it out. So yeah, looking forward for your DMs and the comment down below, and looking forward for the questions. And guys, discount is going on, huge discount. Definitely you can check it out and join the courses of German Gyan. We give live session classes, no recorded classes, but very important and very helpful thing for you, if you join the class, each and every class, after each and every class, you will be getting the recorded class of particular session which has happened between me and you. One-to-one sessions are available and with no extra charges. Another thing, group classes are also available, minimum 4 to 5 students in particular groups. If you don't know, we are already doing it. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and guys, now you will be seeing the reviews of the student which I am getting from my own students and who are watching my videos. So just go and watch it. So guys, before checking out the review session, kindly watch out the actual version of classes conducted by German Gyan. And in the last, don't forget to see the reviews of my own students who have studied at German Gyan since last 5 years. So without wasting time, let's go.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. I hope all the members are joined. Hello.
This is Kishore joined.
Okay, fine. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm also fine. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So see, the thing is that this demo will be of 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can ask me questions, whatever you want to ask me. In the meantime, kindly mute yourself so that no one get disturbed, and attend the demo. If you are having copy or pen, that's a better option. If you don't have, then also this recording of the demo plus the file from which I will be teaching, I will be sharing you after the class. You don't have to worry for that. Fine. So let's start with the class. So the screen is visible to you, I hope, right? Fine. So the thing is, first of all, let me tell you, in German we are having 6 level, which is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. If you are looking just for the hobby purpose or just you want to know German, then A1 is fine. If you are looking for the tourist that you want to go Germany and you just want to know the basics, then also A1 is fine. If you are looking for the German language course, in Germany you want to study and you are going for the study visa, in that also you are having 2 options. One is when you are going for the English course, then you don't need German at all, but for the part-time job you at least know the B1 till B1 level. If you are going for the German language course in Germany for the studies, then at least B2 or C1 is required. Whatever your college demands, minimum B2. Some college like medical want C1 also. Another thing, let me clear you, in German, when we are doing the course or you will be joining here or wherever, always remember that self-study is really necessary. If you don't do self-study, at least give time to whatever you are doing in particular day, at least 15 to 20 minutes per day. Otherwise, German becomes a tough language. German is actually a very easy language, but the thing is you have to do the self-study, that is must. Another thing, for German, we are having certain rules for the beginners. So let me clear you the rules. That is not for my institute, that is the worldwide for the beginners. That first, never use Google Translator for the beginners. If you are a A1, A2 or the B1, till you are not B1 certified, don't use Google Translator, because he will be telling you the C2 level, plus he will be not telling you the proper, sometimes it may comes wrong, so don't use Google Translator. There is another app, dig.cc. If you want the link, I will be providing you on my WhatsApp. I will definitely give you, that's not an issue. Another thing, first thing is clear. Another thing, first rule is this, second is self-study is must, and third one is that never translate German into English. German is a different language, don't compare it with English, because when you are doing comparison you will get confused and that will be harmful for you, because German is actually based on Sanskrit, but if you don't know Sanskrit, it's totally fine, doesn't matter. Even I was also not knowing Sanskrit, so it doesn't matter. Now let me start with the German demo. In this demo I will be teaching you some basic greetings and the numbers from 0 to 12. Why 0 to 12? Because after 12 there is a trick which you have to follow in German. So that will be a bigger topic, that's why till these 2 topics I will be covering in the demo itself. So with the greeting parts, let me start. So hello is, see, if you don't know the pronunciation exactly, it will harm for you. So ask me as much as you can, ask me doubts as much as you can. That will help you to become more and more professional in the particular language. And when you are learning any language, not only in German, any language, pronunciation is must. So let's start. Hello is hello. 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 Hello is hello. You can write the pronunciation in Hindi or whatever language you know, just to make yourself correct in the pronunciation if you're writing somewhere. That is a better option. I did like this, that's why I'm advising you. Next is how are you. In how are you, we are having 3 forms. One is basic one, another one is formal one, and another one is informal one. So how are you, the basic one, which normally people say, generally, that is wie geht's. Wie geht's. Wie geht's. The formal way of this is wie geht es Ihnen. Wie geht es Ihnen. The informal way is wie geht es there. Wie geht es there. Again I am repeating, hello is hello. Hello. In German, if you're having a little bigger word, then you can break it out and then pronounce it. That will be a better pronunciation for you. Thank you is danke. Danke. It's not donkey. Some people say donkey. It's not donkey. It's danke. Danke. Fine. When we are saying thank you, then if you are answering how are you, then you have to say initially thank you. That is must. So danke, ich bin gut. Danke, ich bin gut. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Again, I am repeating from starting. Hello is hallo. Hallo. Wie geht's? This is a basic one. Wie geht's? Formal. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Ihnen. The informal way. Wie geht es there? Wie geht es there? Thank you is danke. Danke. Thanks, I am fine. Danke, ich bin gut. Danke, ich bin gut. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Danke, es geht. I am so. Danke, es geht. Danke, es geht. I'm not doing well. Es geht mir schlecht. Es geht mir schlecht. Schlecht. Again I am repeating. Es geht mir schlecht. I'm doing better. Es geht mir besser. Es geht mir besser. Es geht mir besser. I'm repeating from starting. Hello is hallo. I am repeating again and again just to give you the more clarification on the things, because it's a first class for you and it's a beginning. So as much I will repeat, the more clarification you will be getting. So it's hallo. Wie geht's? Wie geht's? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es there? Danke. Danke, ich bin gut. Es geht mir gut. Danke, es geht. Es geht mir schlecht. Es geht mir besser. The new one is excuse me. Excuse me is also in the formal and informal way. Informal way is for family and friends, and the formal way is your offices or the professional meetings. So, Entschuldigung. This is an informal way. This is a bigger one. That's why I am breaking it. Normally it is Entschuldigung. So, Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung is an informal way. If I come to the formal way, then it is Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Bitte is your please. So in formal way I am repeating Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. The formal way is Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Bitte means please. It's bitte. Next one is, if you are saying I am sorry or you are saying only sorry, the German will be same. Tut mir leid. I know it's a bigger one, but the things are same. Tut mir leid. Tut mir leid. Fine. Take care. Which is very necessary nowadays. So marks gut. Marks gut. Marks gut. Tut mir leid. Marks gut. Gladly. Gladly is when we normally say as a comment. So gladly is gerne. Gerne. G pronounced in German is ge. So that's why the pronunciation is gerne. Nice to meet you, which we normally say when we are doing bye to anyone. So sehr. It's not sehr. It's sehr. Sehr erfreut. Sehr erfreut. Sehr erfreut. Fine. If you are saying see you soon or you just want to say bye, so you can say bis bald. Bis bald. Bis bald. Bis bald. Next one is a bigger one. I will be pronouncing in by cutting the word. So it is auf. Auf is easy. Auf. Auf and W is pronounced in German as V. The sounds V will be coming whenever we will be using W. The another one classes we will be doing alphabets. In that I will giving you the clarification, so don't worry. So auf, wieder, sehen, auf, sehen, auf, sehen. Again, let me start from this. Excuse me, is Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Bitte. Tut mir leid. Mach's gut. Mach's gut. Gerne. Gerne. Sehr erfreut. Sehr erfreut. Bis bald. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. So this was the basic greetings. I hope it is clear to you. After the class, I will be sending you this word file, so you don't have to worry. Plus, this whole demo session recording will be giving to you, because while you are learning with me, every recording will be with you, so that whenever you want to revise, you can revise with the topics. Plus, each and every word file I will be providing you. So let's start with the counting part. Counting is known as Zahlen in German. Zahlen. Now here you can see these are the new 2 dots on the alphabet A. So this is a new alphabet. In German we are having 26 normal English alphabets plus 4 new alphabets, and this is one of them. So these 2 dots are known as umlauts in German. This we will be covering when we will be doing alphabets.
Nidhi, perhaps you can do some small introduction. It would be great to know, about German Gyan, etc. Because I just came across you on that German group on Facebook, right?
Okay.
So I have very little idea about your organization, etc. And maybe we will also give you some brief about ourselves. So it's just a good way to start, I guess.
Okay, fine. So basically, I am Nidhi and I am the CEO of German Gyan. We are having 63 teachers in German Gyan Institute, and we are running this institute from last 5 years. We are on online platform and offline as well in Delhi itself, but due to lockdown, we are closed because education sector is closed right now. Another thing, we held classes, office training, school trainings, each and everything. We conduct seminars, webinars, each and everything. And right now we are also organizing one webinar that's just for the speaking practice who already learn German. So that is free and just for the speaking practice, so that some people can do something productive in this quarantine period. So, and German Gyan is an institute which is open from 6 a.m. to 12 midnight, and we are running classes from 6 a.m. to 12 midnight according to the time, because we are having students from all over the world. So they are different time. So that's how we are working, and different teachers teach according to the levels, and each and every teacher who I am having in my institute is C2 level certified plus teacher training from Goethe. So that's how we will be running. Another thing is that we will be preparing you for the Goethe exam. Goethe is a Max Müller-Webern German embassy, for which you should get the certificate for getting the job in any job, whether it is in India or Germany or anywhere in whole world. So we will be preparing you for that. And another thing, there is no compulsion for applying for A1 or A2. You can directly give the Goethe highest level exam, whether you are doing B1 highest or B2 or C1 or C2. There is no compulsion कि आपको A1 भी देना है, A2 भी देना है, C1 भी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Highest level दो, because आप जब Goethe का एग्जाम देते हो तो वो आपसे चार्ज लेते हैं. एग्जाम का चार्ज लेते हैं. That can be 7,000, 9,000. They keep on changing, so I cannot tell you. So you have to register there, and in that, of course, I will be helping you, and it goes on like that.
Okay.
So yeah. So any other thing you want to ask me, you can ask.
Just couple of things. The institute is based where in Delhi? Which part of Delhi is based?
It's Delhi, near Karkaduma metro station.
Okay, got it. So great, Nidhi. Thanks for the introduction. Briefly, we'll just introduce ourselves and then we can begin. So we are also Delhiites. At least I am Delhiite. I was born in Delhi, etc.
Okay.
I mean, for the longest time, I've lived in Sarojini Nagar area, this Lodi colony area, etc. So I have family in Karkaduma, etc. That know this area. Right now, both of us are living in Gurgaon. My name is Varun. Neha, my wife. We are living in Gurgaon right now. I am right now working for a private organization, travel domain.
Okay.
My motivation to learn German is purely recreational nature. And I am already past my education and I've already done my graduation, etc. So, I mean, there is no education angle to my sort of need to learn German.
Okay.
Just that we have a lot of friends in Germany. We keep meeting
Okay.
them, traveling to their places, and
Okay.
it's all. I like this culture personally because I've also lived in Germany personally. So when I was texting to tell you that I'm from Budapest, I used to live in Bavaria for a while. In fact, Ungefähr Munata. So I mean, for me, it's learning more by immersion, etc. So I think I know some basics, and for me, it's more like revision and getting better at it. And the need is purely recreational in nature.
Okay.
And idea is to just learn it to speak fluently. And giving an exam, not giving, is more like secondary nature because I'm not really looking to prove anything to anybody or
Yeah.
apply for something. It's more if I can speak fluently, that'll be great for me. That's my personal motivation. Um, Neha was also interested to learn this, but she has no exposure to German language
At all.
at all. And she would really like to learn from very, very basics. So what we thought that I think it won't be very. I mean, if both of us are in the same class, it would not be fair for her because I think I'm certainly at a different sort of a at a scale like right now. So I think what we are looking at is both from like a recreational purpose, so that we can speak it fluently with our friends. We keep traveling to. So we were in the German speaking part of Switzerland last year, and we sort of lived with. This is great to interact the culture, etc. A lot of friends are.
I got it.
So that's really our motto and motivation. There's no official purpose to it. May I want to say something?
Yeah. So basically, I am not. I don't think so. I'm a quick learner. When it comes to languages, so you might have to struggle a bit with me because considering when I was when I was living in Hyderabad, I had tough time learning Telugu as well, and I am not familiar with Telugu up till now. So with German, yeah, I would like to understand that. Let's say if I miss the classes, when can if it can be extended and weekday, weekend, all those timings. We could also communicate that on the messages.
We can do that later.
Yeah.
I think, Nidhi, the point here is that take the class from her perspective. She would like to learn some very, very basic stuff.
Yeah, of course. See, if you will be also learning, then I will be teaching from the basic because she is there.
Yeah.
So you have to revise each and everything. Yeah, and another thing you are asking that if you haven't attended the class or something missed it, so that's not an issue. You can just tell me in the prior notice, and we can conduct on another day. That's not an issue. And there is no compulsion कि A1 level 19 hours का है. So क्योंकि I personally feel सबकी learning power अलग-अलग होती है. So I cannot say कि आप 19 घंटे में सीख ही सकते हो. But maximum I can say कि हाँ सीख सकते हो. जरूरी नहीं है अगर 19 घंटे में खत्म नहीं हो तो वो 25 घंटे भी चल सकता है. But जब तक you are not satisfied, course will not close. That's for sure. Okay. It will take 2 months or 3 months. It depends on you and basically our coordination. That's it. Fine. Alok, you want to say something?
Hi, Alok. Hello.
I think so. He has left. Something is happening. So yeah, let's start with the demo and let me tell you the first rules of German. German अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो तो starting में Google Translator का आप use बिल्कुल नहीं करोगे क्योंकि let me tell you why. Google Translator क्या होता है आपको C1 लेवल का बताएगा with the highest level frequency and उसकी आपको A1 में वो वाली vocabulary and everything नहीं आती है. So it's better to learn with the basics vocab and get into after B1 level. अगर आपको वैसे करोगे नहीं आप B1 क्योंकि आप just for the normal conversation के लिए सीख रहे हो.
Maybe just a minute. Sorry to stop you. But नेहा को A1 B1 कुछ नहीं पता है. थोड़ा वो भी context है. What is A1 B1 B1?
In German we are having 6 levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. Fine. So basically, what happens is A1 is just for the beginners, and in that you will be learning some basics, vocabulary, or we can say the numbers, or we can say one-liner sentences. You can know the introduction. You can ask the question to anyone. Just the basic question, not a big one and the complicated one. Another thing, after A1 level, you will be able to write 40 words email writing if you want to write, that you can learn. Present tense you will be knowing after B1, after A1 level, and that's it in A1 level. If you go for the A2 level is totally about grammar, that is past tense, future tense. If you go to the B1 level is whole about speaking. Suppose after B1 you will be able to speak, I give you any topic and you will be able to speak around 15 to 20 minutes continuously on that. That's how the B1 level frequency is. So that's how it goes on. So it's totally up to you. And C1, B2, C1, C2 is just for the person who want to do PhD in German, like teachers or for the translators. That's it. Fine?
C1, C2 is for translators.
Translators, of course.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Now let's start with demo. And पहली चीज Google Translator का यूज नहीं करना है. Second, जर्मन को इंग्लिश से कंपेयर नहीं करना है. यू कैन नॉट डू कंपेयर बिकॉज जर्मन एक अलग लैंग्वेज है, इंग्लिश एक अलग लैंग्वेज है, कंपैरिजन नहीं है. इंग्लिश आती है तो ऑफकोर्स कुछ ना कुछ आपको गुडविल्स उसमें से निकलेंगे, एडवांटेज मिलेगा, बट कंपेयर मत करना. एंड इंग्लिश का कोई भी सेंटेंस जर्मन में एज इट इज कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश मत करना, क्योंकि इंग्लिश सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर एंड द जर्मन सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स आर डिफरेंट. कुछ कुछ सेम है बट डिफरेंट है, तो डिफरेंट ही रखना. दैट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू बिकॉज आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होगे. फाइन. वेट अ सेकेंड, लेट मी चेक विद Alok. I don't know why he has left. No worries. I'm calling him.
Alok आपसे ट्रेनिंग करते हैं क्या? वो भी टीचर है?
नहीं, he is also having demo like you.
अच्छा.
I don't know, he's not coming. No worries. So yeah, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah. Today I will be teaching you normal greetings and the numbers 0 to 12. Fine. So basic greeting, let's start. So in German, hello is hallo. See, pronunciation में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है क्योंकि German है and new language है. Pronunciation is must in this particular language. So hello is hallo. Okay. See, I will be sending you this particular file after each and every class. All the study material, exam preparation material, each and everything I will be providing you. All the books and everything I will be giving you in PDF forms. So you don't have to pay anything or something else. Whatever we are doing, you can have one copy and pen just for the pronunciation. Suppose आपको एक word है and आपको break करके लिखना है, आप हिंदी लिख सकते हो ताकि आपको pronunciation मिल जाए. वैसे ये file I will provide you after each and every class. Yeah. Fine. So hello is hallo. How are you is wie geht's. Wie geht's is a basic form which we normally say. That is basically a phrase in German. If I say someone in a formal way in the sense to some meetings or somewhere, we say wie geht es Ihnen. Wie geht es Ihnen. Fine. If I say in the informal way to the family and friends, then we say we get es there. We get es there. Yes.
So how the way it's there, right?
There.
Basic is we get. Formal get is Ihnen.
We get es Ihnen.
Okay, Ihnen.
We get es Ihnen. The informal way is we get es there.
Es there.
Yes.
Okay.
If we have to say thank you is danke.
Okay.
Danke. If I have to reply for the question how are you, then I will be saying danke, ich bin gut. Danke, ich bin gut. This is a very common sentence which they normally say. This is an informal sentence. If you have to say in another way, you can say es geht mir gut.
Okay.
Es geht mir gut.
Okay.
Gut. Yes. If you have to say thanks, I am so, then you can say danke, es geht. Danke, es geht.
So this is the, not the, right? Danke.
Danke.
Okay.
Danke.
Hmm.
Fine. If you have to say I'm not doing well, so you can say es geht mir schlecht. Schlecht.
Okay.
Es geht mir schlecht.
Okay.
Schlecht. If you have to say I am doing better, then you can say es geht mir besser. Es geht mir besser.
Mir besser. Okay.
Fine. Let's do revision once more. Hello is hallo. Wie geht's?
Wie geht's?
Wie geht's?
Okay.
Wie geht es Ihnen?
Wie geht es Ihnen? Okay, with a question mark. Yes.
Yes. It's a question. We are asking somebody. Wie geht es there? Wie geht es there?
Wie geht es dir? There.
Danke.
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 Danke, ich bin gut.
Danke, ich bin gut.
Es geht mir gut.
Es geht mir gut.
Danke, es geht.
Danke, es geht. Danke,
Danke, es geht.
Es geht.
Es geht mir schlecht.
Es geht mir schlecht.
Schlecht.
Schlecht. Es
Schlecht.
geht mir schlecht.
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 Schlecht. Schlecht.
Schlecht.
Es geht mir besser.
Es geht mir besser.
Exactly. If you have to say excuse me, then we are having two ways. One is informal and another one is formal. So for the normal informal way, that is Entschuldigung. 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 If you have to say in a formal way, then we'll be saying Entschuldigen. Entschuldigen. Sie bitte.
Sie bitte.
Bitte. Bitte is please.
Okay.
Entschuldigen. 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 Sie bitte.
Sie bitte.
So the informal way is Entschuldigung.
Entschuldigung.
And the formal way is Entschuldigen Sie bitte.
Entschuldigen Sie bitte.
Yes, and bitte means please.
Please. Okay.
For take care and for basically I'm sorry or for sorry, both. You will be saying tut mir leid. Tut mir leid. Tut mir leid. Right? If you have to say take care, for take care is Macht's gut. Macht's gut. Macht's gut. And always remember, suppose there is one word take care, so you are having so many phrases for this particular one thing. So you can learn any one of them. I am telling you the basic ones which are very common in that.
Okay.
Fine. And in German, if you learn the verbs, then particularly one verb. Suppose there is one verb to play. To play is spielen. So you can have spielen different meaning also.
Okay.
Basically, they are having so many synonyms, so you don't get confused. Fine.
Okay.
Gladly is gerne.
Gerne.
Gerne. Yeah.
Gerne.
Nice to meet you. Sehr erfreut. Sehr erfreut. Sehr erfreut. For see you soon, we are having two words. One is bis bald, which is very common. Bis bald. See you soon. Another one is auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
So the two words for see you soon is bis bald, and another one is auf Wiedersehen. Fine. So let's do one revision of this. Excuse me is Entschuldigung. This is the informal way.
Yeah.
If I go for the formal way, then it is Entschuldigen Sie bitte.
Entschuldigen Sie bitte.
If you have to say please, then what you will be saying?
Bitte.
Yes. If you have to say sorry, then what you will be saying?
Tut mir leid.
Tut
Light.
mir leid. Leid.
Leid.
Leid. For take care, what you will be saying?
Max gut.
Good.
Gut.
Gut.
Max gut. For
Gut.
gladly, what you will be saying?
Which I've got. Garni.
Gerne.
Garni.
Gerne. For
Gerne.
nice to meet you, what you will be saying?
Sehr.
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 Freud.
Freud. Sehr.
For see you soon, you will be saying bis bald.
Bis bald.
And another one is auf Wiedersehen. Fine. So this was the basic greetings. So this much is clear, or you are having any doubt?
No, not for now. I'll do it on my own again in the evening. So tomorrow,
practice is must.
Yeah.
So now let's come to the counting. Counting is known as Zahlen in German. Zahlen.
Okay.
Zahlen. See, in numbers we are having one very basic trick. You have to learn 0 to 12, and then you can make all the remaining numbers from these 12 numbers only. Okay. So that's why today we will be learning only 0 to 12, and in the next class we will be learning how to make numbers.
Okay.
Fine. So 0 is null.
Okay.
1 is, write it.
1 is?
Null. 1 is eins. Eins.
Okay, eins.
Then it is zwei.
Okay.
Then it's drei.
Okay.
Then in German we are having V pronunciation as f. जहाँ भी V word आता है ना, V letter, वहाँ पे f की sound आती है. Yes. तो इसकी sound निकलेगी fear, जो हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं डर. फोर को बोलते हैं fear.
Okay.
वन को बोलते हैं फारूम.
5 is fun.
Fun or just fun?
Fun. Here, if you see, there is 2 dots on U.
Correct.
These dots are known as umlauts in German.
Okay.
When tomorrow we will be doing alphabets, so you will get to know that these are the extra letters of German. Then for 6 it is sechs.
Okay. ठीक है.
For 7 it is sieben.
Okay.
For 8 it is acht. Yes, acht.
Okay.
For 9 it is nine.
Okay.
For 10 it is zehn.
Okay.
For 11 it is elf.
ठीक है.
And for 12 it is zolf.
So it's not Wolf, it's Zolf, right?
Zolf. So let's do one revision. 0 is null.
1 is 2 is Y.
3
is drei.
There is a breakage.
Okay. One
yes.
second. the right. ठीक है?
Yes.
4 is here.
Yes.
5 is fun.
Yes.
6 is dex.
Yes.
7 is Zeben.
Yes.
8 is up.
Yes.
9 knowing.
Nine.
Knowing.
Nine. Nine.
No. Knowing. No. Okay. Just no, right? Knowing.
No. No. In. Nine.
No. In.
You are writing in Hindi?
Yeah. This time writing in Hindi.
हिंदी की प्रैक्टिस हो रही है आपकी.
हाँ.
Zen.
ठीक है. The 10 is Zen. Right?
Zen.
Zen. हाँ ठीक है. 11 is elf.
Yes.
And 12 is doll.
Exactly. So this is clear?
Yeah.
So I will be sending you this.
Yeah.
Fine. So first tell me that what time will be suitable for you, because we are having one batch 10 to 11 which is having today second class. So if you want to join that batch, you can join. And then their classes are MWF, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There is one lady, if you want to join, you can. Otherwise, it's, you can tell me the time.
That will be like one-on-one session?
Yeah, that can be possible. Just tell me the time, that on which time you are suitable, and just tell me 2 times. I will give you 1 time.
I have 2 questions. Some questions. So teacher would be you for Neha or somebody else? Like who?
No. Whosoever will be taking demo, she will be the teacher only.
Okay. So okay, fine. So I mean, you will be teaching Neha, right? That means.
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Second is this A1. How normally? What is the course duration and what are the weekend classes? So what is can you tell us a normal schedule? What is it like, so we can help us decide?
A1 level is a 19-hour course for the normal student who is the average student.
Okay.
Fine. So in 19 hours, easily anybody can learn A1 level, because A1 level is very easy. Just there is one शर्त जो मैं बोलते हैं, self study करना must. At least 20 से 15-25 मिनट आपको देने पड़ेंगे.
But ये 19 घंटे मतलब 1 hour session of each 1 hour session.
Yes.
How do you
Let me tell you. The thing is, alternate days classes होंगी MWF. अगर weekend पे लेते हो तो 2 घंटे classes होती हैं. Fine. That's how it goes on.
अच्छा. Okay, got it. तो ये हफ्ते में या तो weekdays में 3 दिन या तो weekend में 2 घंटे की 2 classes.
Yes.
और weekdays में 3 days 3 hours every week हो जाएगा फिर. मतलब 1 hour class 3 days.
Yes. वो basically होता है. See, normally आजकल जैसे क्वारंटीन चल रहा है तो कोई 5 days लगातार भी ले रहा है. But कुछ लोग होते हैं जिन्हें चाहिए होता है टाइम टू डू द रिवीजन, एंड जो होमवर्क मिल रहा है वो आपको करना होता है, मुझे सबमिट करना होता है क्लास से पहले, ताकि आई कैन चेक एंड सी दैट वेयर यू आर स्टैंडिंग एक्चुअली. सो इट्स टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. इफ यू टेक वीकडेज 5 days 1 hour भी हो सकता है, 4 days a week भी हो सकता है, 3 days a week भी हो सकता है. Totally customized we can do according to you. So you can tell me the timings and how you want after discussing it.
So Nidhi, so I mean just couple of questions. So जैसे she's learning, right, and she feels कि आप थोड़ा तेज हो गए and she wants to sort of just hold the pace down, or she sort of be asked you, request you to be a professional. So that's all okay, right? She can request you for re-explaining, etc. stuff.
Yeah, that's of course, because she is paying, so she has a right to do that.
Okay, got it. And you will help her also from, let's say she wishes to give A1 exam after a while. I don't know. Let her
exam preparation. Whole preparation is included in this particular fee. Whether you will give or not give, I will prepare you for the exam. It's your wish you are giving or not. I will prepare you for that.
तो फिर निधि आप ही बताओ आपके पास कब टाइम सूटेबल है? Like she would want personal attention honestly rather than a group. तो आप ही
बताओ. No worries.
See,
आप मुझे अपने हिसाब से कोई भी 2 टाइमिंग दे दो. मैं अपना टाइम आपको, या तो मैं अपना टाइम आपको भेज देती हूँ कि at what time I am having classes. उसके बीच में you can tell me the timings and I will give you the personal guide. That's not an issue.
So I think what we will probably do go thrice or 4 times a week, because I think weekend में क्या है कि we will also have to travel etc. जब hopefully lockdown will lift up. And right now Neha is not working, so she can afford to.
Right now I can.
She's on a break, so she can afford to take out weekdays time.
Okay. So I will give you the schedule of mine, and then you can tell me the timings with the 3 days or 4 days, whatever you feel after discussing. That's not an issue. Right now I'm sending is practice it, and let's see you in the next class. Okay, bye-bye and take care. So counting is known as Zahlen. Zahlen. Please keep noting down whatever you want me to ask after this class.
I am Prakhar Jain. I am learning German from German Gyan, and I am having lots of fun, knowledge and enjoyment. So I suggest you be first and join German class. Bye bye.
Hi everyone. Presently I am learning German in German Gyan, and the teaching in German Gyan is really good.
Thanks a lot, Nidhi ma'am. Thanks for the amazing videos and amazing knowledge. And I really appreciate the effort that you have put in making the videos. And I am looking forward to more videos and to learn more from you.
Hi, I'm Pallavi. I have enrolled for B1 level German language. I am student of German Gyan. We have started our B1 level course, and yes, due to this lockdown period, I had little queries or little doubts regarding my previous level, A1, A2 level. They have cleared all my doubts and then they have proceeded further. It's not like that they will just specify or just they will teach B1 level or only that portion. Even if the queries, doubts you have related to other some things, they'll try to solve it. And yeah, it's really good interactive online session. The trainers are good. They teach according to your convenience, the way you want or how you want. They really teach good. Thank you German Gyan again for...
Hello guys, hallo, wie geht es Ihnen? My name is Divya and today I'm shooting this video to speak a few enlightening words about the biggest organization that has been started by Miss Nidhi Jain, that is German Gyan. This girl is actually doing a commendable job by imparting the best German lessons globally. You know, connecting people globally and teaching them. Great job. And the dexterity she shows in every lesson, in every explanation, shows that she has a lot of knowledge of German. Also, she is one of my good friends. I had invited her many times in my school to do workshops with the kids, to impart her lessons and to give them a direction to move forward in their career. So great job, and people keep watching German Gyan, keep following them and extract as much as you can from them. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bis bald.
I do recommend German Gyan for learning German language because the teachers are so helpful and provide proper guidance and techniques for learning language. So I feel so motivating and enjoy learning with German Gyan.
I recommend it all the students to learn German Gyan from Nidhi ma'am.
Yeah, hello friends, I am Ashish Singh Kangra, and this video is regarding the German language. I am following the German Gyan channel from last 6 months, and Miss Nidhi Jain is providing great information about German Gyan and how to crack the German embassy's interviews, and she's providing the tips and tricks about everything, and I think it's best channel. Please do subscribe, share and comment, and please be in touch with German Gyan channel. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, my name is Anshika Tyagi and I'm learning German through German Gyan. The team is very helpful and cooperative. Miss Nidhi Jain, the CEO and the founder of German Gyan, is really an amazing teacher. I have given my Goethe A1 exam under her guidance and score very good marks in that. Hence, it is quite fun to learn the language with the German Gyan, and a great decision to collaborate with the German Gyan. #German Gyan, #Nidhi Jain. Thank you.
मैं जर्मन ज्ञान का एक सब्सक्राइबर हूँ और मैं जर्मन ज्ञान को फॉलो कर रहा हूँ काफ़ी टाइम से, और इस लॉकडाउन में मैंने निधि जैन जो कि जर्मन ज्ञान की ओनर हैं, को CEO हैं, उनसे मैंने जर्मन सीखी है। काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव चैनल है। इनके पोस्ट जो इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट एंड ऑल होते हैं, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे देखें, फेसबुक पे देखें। हाल फिलहाल में इनकी लिंक्डइन पे भी एक पोस्ट थी, काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव पोस्ट है। और मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं जर्मन सीखने में तो बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव चैनल है, आप ज़रूर इसे सब्सक्राइब करें। और लॉकडाउन की वजह से अभी मे बी जर्मन ज्ञान सिर्फ ऑनलाइन ही अवेलेबल है। लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद आप ऑफलाइन क्लासेस के लिए भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव चैनल है। और यस निधि, पर्सनल मैसेज टू यू कि आप अपनी फैमिली का ध्यान रखें। मैंने अभी हाल फिलहाल में आपका वीडियो देखा था, जैसा कि आपके फादर जब कोरोना पॉजिटिव आपके फादर को पता चला, और उसके बाद जो नर्सेज और मेडिकल स्टाफ का जो रवैया था उन सब के लिए। और स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी एंड जर्मन ज्ञान को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव चैनल।
Hello, it's Rohit Kumar, currently working as service engineer in automotive industry. I have 5 years of experience in automobile industry. German has none of opportunities. That's why I want to learn German language course. I searching online and offline classes, and on a YouTube I found a channel German Gyan. German Gyan is provided online coaching job seekers for job seekers and German learners. I choose the course of A2 language, A2 level course. First of all, I choose the demo classes. I attend demo classes. Afterwards, I go for the overall course. But in now pandemic situations are very worse. Are going to very worse. In pandemic situation, German Gyan is continue providing their training classes to the students. I recently completed my A2 level course. And thank you German Gyan team for helping me.
Myself Soumya Kashyap, student of German Gyan, I feel highly blessed that I got admission in one of the reputed institute, German Gyan. So guys, what are you waiting for? Hurry up.
Hello everyone, I am Ayushi and I am learning German from German Gyan, and I am having lots of fun, knowledge and enjoyment. So that's why I suggest you to join German Gyan. Thank you.
Hi, I am Riju. I am doing my German B1 course at German Gyan. It is really a nice experience for me, and I am 100% sure that I have not made a mistake by choosing German Gyan, and it would not be a different experience to you too. Thank you German Gyan for your care and support.
Hello everyone, this is Naeem Malik and I am learning German language from German Gyan by Miss Nidhi Jain. She is very brilliant teacher and she knows how to teach a language very well, and I am having a lots of knowledge from there. So I suggest you to join the German classes from German Gyan. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, I am Akshay Singer. I am learning German with Nidhi via German Gyan, and I am too impressed with the way of teaching there. It really helps me a lot to improve my skills in German. I will always be thankful to Nidhi and German Gyan.
Hi, I'm Muskan Jain. So during this lockdown I came across a YouTube channel known as German Gyan. They have their institute in Delhi only, and they provided German classes. So I have started learning German over there, and they have really good classes. The classes are really interactive. Recently they also have this discount for the particular courses, so you can just go and avail that discount.
Yeah, hello, I am Ashish Singh Kangra and I am working in Balaji Action Hospital in Delhi, and basically I was planning for German job seekers visa in medical lab technology, and from past 6 months I am following the German Gyan channel, and it's the best channel for job seekers visa informations and for German language programs. And Mrs. Nidhi Jain Miss Nidhi Jain is providing the best knowledge and best content and the short the best content. Please do follow, subscribe her channel.
Hello guys, I am learning the German language with the help of the YouTube video of the Nidhi ma'am. I am taking so many interest in learning the German language. I hope you also learn the German language and join the classes with the Nidhi ma'am. Thank you.
Hey guys, so I wanted to learn new things and explore things while in lockdown,
and I came across this channel German Gyan and I started taking their online classes, and trust me, they've been helping a lot and you should try it for yourself.
Hey, hi guys, myself Abhinav Goel, graduate from IIT Kanpur. Request you to please follow German Gyan by Nidhi Jain and enhance your German learning skills through this channel. I personally very much enjoyed learning over there, and I wish you all can learn German language very easily and very quickly by this particular channel. Please follow German Gyan by Nidhi Jain. All the best, you guys.
Hey everyone, this is a big shout out to German Gyan. I've enrolled in their online courses and it's been some time and it's really helping me a lot. I'm having a lot of fun with the classes, they're really informative. So I urge you to do the same at the earliest. Enroll now.
Hi, I am Piyush and I have started learning German language in this lockdown period. And I want to say thanks to Nidhi for helping me to learn German language in an easy way. Thank you.
So I opted for the German club at my school and honestly I barely understood anything my teacher taught me. So then I surfed through the internet and I found German Gyan. It really helped me. I studied with the help of this channel and it really improved my grades. You should do the same. Subscribe to German Gyan and enroll for their online classes.
Hello guys, good evening to all. My name is Divya and I'm from Delhi. I would like to speak some enlightening words about the channel, the YouTube channel, the Instagram page and the whole organization that is the German Gyan, that is being handled by Miss Nidhi and her team. This girl is doing a commendable job because she is teaching people all around the world, across the globe, on online mode. Teaching on online mode is not that easy because I'm also a teacher and I have been teaching online for past many years. But she has completely made that platform easier for everybody to listen, to grasp and to learn. The kind of dexterity this girl shows while she is imparting her knowledge through her lessons is commendable. So I would request you all to keep posting your comments, your positive comments, good comments for her on her YouTube channel also, and keep following her and extract as much knowledge as you can from her because she has an ocean of knowledge for German. Also, I would like to mention that Nidhi has been judges, has been the mentor for many of the competitions that were held in my school. I personally invited her and she was welcomed by students, the administration, the management and the principal. Welcomed by students, the administration, the management and the principal. Also, she has remarkably guided our students for a good career option in German and how to move forward in their life using language as a platform. So, all the best Nidhi, you're doing a great job, keep doing it, keep smiling, bis bald, auf Wiedersehen.
Hi guys, my name is Neha and I'm learning German from German Gyan and exclusive videos and इसमें सब कुछ बहुत best होता है. So guys please German Gyan classes join करें with Nidhi ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, this is Monopriya. Everybody said German language is one of the toughest language, but the German Gyan helped me to pick up the language faster than I expected it. I would like to thank Miss Nidhi Jain, who is the CEO of German Gyan as well as German instructor. She helped me through vocabulary, vocabulary, grammar, sentences, each and every words she helped me in German through online. Once I was in Kuwait, I finished my A2 because of Nidhi Jain's help. German Gyan is one of the best institution in India. So please, whoever would like to read the language, German language, please meet Miss Nidhi Jain, the German Gyan she is the good instructor, as well as the institution German Gyan institution is one of the best institution in our India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Singh and I want to share my story with you. In this lockdown period, I thought of doing something productive, and so I thought for learning some new language. I opted for learning German, and in this process, I got a lot of help from German Gyan. Hence, I want to thank you, Nidhi, for letting me learn German in such an easy way. Thank you, Nidhi.
Hello guys, this is Ali from Pakistan, and I'm here to tell you about the YouTube channel German Gyan. If you want to learn German while staying at home due to this coronavirus situation, it's a wonderful platform. The instructor Nidhi Jain is doing a wonderful job, and I must say that from basics, from A1, A2, and from how you can improve your German while staying at home. So all these you can find it on German Gyan YouTube channel. Subscribe it and have a nice day.
My name is Kedar Pradhan. I am learning German from German Gyan. I had completed from A1 to B1 1 year ago. Nidhi ma'am is good at teaching in German. I will suggest you guys, you can take admission in German Gyan, and also you can follow in Instagram and YouTube. Thanks.
So hi everyone, myself Mr. Madhav, and I'm learning German from German Gyan by Nidhi. I feel it's very good platform to learn German, and I'm enjoying the everyday classes. I'm sure that it will help the person who is willing to learn German. Thank you.
Hi guys, so I enrolled with German Gyan in January for A1, and the entire team of German Gyan is amazing. The concept that we have teaching for beginners is absolutely good. They have techniques, tricks to make you understand, let it be for alphabets or numbers. It's pretty good. I would really recommend German Gyan. The entire team is very supportive, very motivating. It wouldn't matter if you keep asking them one concept again. They would explain it with the same zest that they always do. And without doubt, I would ask you to get enrolled with them. They'll be online and offline. They're perfect in this language. They have clarity. They have this pronunciation that is required. So yeah, I would really ask you to go ahead and without doubt just enroll with them. German Gyan is absolutely the best in the market right now, and the team is large, so time flexibility, batches, everything is pretty flexible for you guys. Go ahead and yeah, don't doubt the word again. All the best.
Hi, this is Ninath. I have seen demo video of Nidhi Jain. It looks good, so I have decided to enroll for the course.
Hi guys, this is Chanchal, and I have been studying at German Gyan since April, last 2 months, and my experience is very good. The teachers are very good, so I would like to suggest this to everyone, whoever is thinking of learning German. You can join German Gyan, and you can learn very quickly and very nicely from the very well experienced teachers here.
Hi, I'm Pranjali Bhardwaj, and recently I've been studying German from German Gyan. My experience has been amazing, and I would suggest you all to try it out right now. So go and check out German Gyan.
Hey, hi, this is Kaushal. I'm learning German from German Gyan. They are different from other German institutes, and their way of coaching is different. They do have an online class. Stay tuned, stay home, and do German Gyan. Bye bye.
I'm Jinu. I'm from Muscat. I have been watching Nidhi's videos since long time, which is very educative and getting more information. And also she is teaching the German language, who all are need to learn German. So definitely you should join with Nidhi. She can teach as she can, and as well as she very is a motivator, and also she's teaching a lot of things and informative, and as also she is how to overcome the situation what she had recently. Her father had an corona, and how she overcome the situation. She's a very intelligent person, and she's doing the things, and as well she's making a lot of videos, and is very informative to people who all are needs. Really, I'm suggesting the best thing the whole are needs to continue. Hi, I'm
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope the reviews and everything has helped you a lot. So guys, just join it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. And guys, stay happy, stay safe. And guys, recently my father got positive, so if you want to see that what's the reality, then you can just check the video I have made with my own experience, that what I suffered and how it happened. So definitely you should check. So stay tuned, stay happy, and Jai Hind, be safe and stay home guys.